Welcome back and hello to the newcomers. This is the Crypto Angel with the tricks and tips from the internet. The channel where we talk about free crypto, multiplying tricks, airdrops and much more. Today we're going to be showing you how we get our free Litecoin. Yes, you heard, free Litecoin. As I said before in BetFury, we always play with free Litecoin, and this is how we do it. We're actually using a site called Free Litecoin. If you actually use the link down below, you will be able to do this yourself. You get free rolls every hour on this little board right here. You can make a minimum of 0.0000762 or a maximum of 2.17 Litecoins. Prove that you're a human just by writing the code in right here, just like this, and then click on roll. Obviously, most of the time you will spin in the minimum win, but it does actually happen to spin above. So good luck on that one. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm still waiting to actually roll that jackpot. Has not happened to me. I've been here for 4 years. 4 years, no jackpot? All right, let's talk about the account. Come into the main menu here. You can see that we have 0.001. We can't cash that out. Why is that? Go on to withdraw. I'll show you right here. This is how very simple it is to actually withdraw from this site. Put in your address. You go into the profile, put in your withdrawal address in this box here, make sure it's correct, and you can actually withdraw from here. You can see that the network fee is 0.001. That's actually what we have in our account. So there would be no point withdrawing 0.01 right here because the network fee would be 0.01. So we would not be able to do that transaction. It would be pointless. And I think there is a minimum of 0.006 anyway. So let's talk about referrals. Referrals, if you refer your friends, your family and your neighbors, you will earn half of their spin. So it's all very important everyone stays in the same group, inviting each other. Here's my link right here, freelitecoin.com, referral number, and I've left that for you in the descriptions of this video down below. Click on it. All you need is an email address just for this site. You don't need anything else. It's tested. You can actually cash out. There's no problems. I've never had problems with it so far anyway, and I've been on here for years. Okay, multiplying. I'm going to show you lots of multiplying tricks. Make sure you put a thumbs up to this video and let me know that you're there, and I will give you a secret multiplying trick that I used and actually made one Litecoin on more than one occasion. It takes time, it needs patience, but it's possible. Right now we're going to do 1,000 rolls. See this? 1,000 rolls right here. On win, we want to return to raise base bet. So return to base bet needs to be ticked off there. And on lose, we need to click on bet buy, and then we're going to add on 201, which is like the minimum of being in profit. So 200 will be your money back plus 1. 201 is like 0.5% or 1% profit. So obviously, you can let the machine turn around and it'll turn, but it won't make much profit. So we're only making 0.0000001. Obviously, when you're starting up and you're on your first spin, that's how you want to be starting, on that level, 201. I'm obviously further in, so I can actually go straight to 299 now, which is obviously a higher percentage rate. And you'll see that down here, there'll be more profit. And it will, see, 0.0027 right now. And then the next bet will be, let's see, when it actually wins. I'm in minus, and now I'm plus 3,260. See right here? That is how much I've won. Profit! And considering we only started with 100,000, we've just won 3,000. So that's like 3% of our balance. What we've just won in just a few spins. How many spins have we done? We've done nearly 80 spins as from now. So we're going to let this roll for 1,000 spins. And this is a little trick of mine. I come in, I do 1,000 spins. On the next day, I add 1% on. I'm going to show you how to do this in the next videos coming soon. But please let me have a little bit of interaction. Let me know you're there. Let me know you care. And then I will share back. And then once I've filled this account up, I send it over to the BetFury account and hopefully try and double up there. But obviously, the more you take it somewhere, the more risk that is implied. But obviously higher wins. You could also leave it on this platform. There is a 10% interest paid out daily, which is not negligible. What? Which is pretty crazy because it actually makes you make interest on your interest, but it's really good idea. Yes, so that's how I get my free Litecoin, guys. Just come on here. You can either not spin, which is even obviously a lot safer. You're not actually risking your free crypto. I like to risk my free crypto. I like to boost up the account a bit further. We're actually at 7% of our balance on top right now. 7,000 on top of our balance, which is crazy. We're only 250 rolls, not even 250 rolls into the video. Some people do get messed up. It's on these little boxes right here. See where it says bet on here and on lose, sorry. See on lose it says bet buy and there's a black tick and it says return to base bet here. Some people forget to tick that box, bet buy, and then obviously on win you want to be on the return base bet here. Make sure these are ticked off correctly because a lot of people get those messed up and they end up sending me messages. It doesn't seem to be making profit. It does make profit. Look, 7,614 right now. Alright, I'm not going to make you suffer the last 500 rolls. Let's fast forward this to where it gets interesting. The end of the video. Let's roll mega mode. I think this is like times by 50 right now. While we'll finish those off, I'd like to say thank you to the newcomers. Thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you for the help we've been getting. We need it. Trying to come back. It's been very hard, guys. So as you can see here, we've gone from 100,000 to 119,000 for the end of the video. Profit. It's a huge spike up. Let's stop there. And we'll come back into the faucet in an hour's time to actually spin that wheel and, you know, try again and recult some extra crypto, you know, as easy as that. Make sure you let me know how you're getting on because sharing is caring. And if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. Get sharing your referral codes on Twitter, Facebook, wherever you want and get free extra crypto. Half of your referrals rolls. So it's obviously very interesting using other people's referral links and sharing your referral link. As I said, sharing is caring, and we will do this together, guys. Stay locked on for that multiplying trick. That is how I got my 400 referrals, and if you want to share the secret, just let me know, and I will be back, especially for you, and hopefully it'll be worth it. See you in the next video, guys.